Rizzo, this bitch fire.
Listen to the track.
What up? It's your boy RizzoLuciano in this bitch. Once again. Good tree. This is how I roll my blunt. You feel me? Open the weed bag. You feel me? Boom. It's open. Take this shit out. You feel me? Grab a paper or something. Float it a little bit. Put the weed in there. Feel me?
It's a shame that y'all grown and I gotta feed me.
Break this shit down.
I said, Michael, do you believe this? One say I'm
It's
garbage.
quick,
The
man.
other steady in the
I do this shit
comments.
quick.
To read shit. I fuck up your conscience. You turn into that
Break
green
that
man.
shit down,
The Incredible
man.
Hulk that did the fiend dance. But I repeat,
it's good
this
looking.
is not a fiend. This just crack.
Matter of fact, that's my music in the background playing. You feel me? Make sure you check me out. RizzoLuciano. Then I'm gonna scoop. You missing money, but I can't fool. I've been getting it since middle school. Mention you, always yapping at the mouth, thinking you cool. Ha ha ha. You a damn fool. Blah blah blah. Pistol whip with the tool. Alright, the weed, you know what I'm saying, is broken down and shit.
Everybody thinking like, damn, that shoe. Face looking like you been eating.
Got my Rello.
Couldn't do my chest out like a can.
Pop this bitch open.
The whole night, I was dismantled. All I had was a can good. Hungry as fuck.
They couldn't stand up.
Why the hell that Glock
Break
had
that
to
bitch
jam
down.
us? They couldn't jam us, but it was music.
Split that
They
bitch down the
only jam
middle.
us. They can't ham us. I'm a cool life nigga. That'll do you scandalous. But thank God
For all the shavings in the ashtray. You feel me? Lick my shit a little bit. You feel me? Boom. Grab the marijuana, weed, whatever you want to call it, thrax, crud, all types of names.
Hey, I'll call you in a
Put
little
that
bit. I
bitch
got
in
you
the blunt.
real quick. I'm gonna come see you before I go. And when I get back, she'll hang for a minute before I go to the studio.
Make sure it's evenly inside the
Make sure I
blunt,
got you
man.
come if you want to. But, I might be tied
If
up
you
a lot
got
of
Reggie's,
stuff.
man, take them
I might
stems
be
out.
trying to do a lot of shit, shit gonna be
But I don't
alright.
smoke Reggs. I used to,
Trust me, I got you.
but it's hard to find them motherfuckers now.
I got you.
You feel me? Detroit shit.
I know.
Roll, boom, lick, boom. Stuff the middle, roll it.
They say your heart to go where it's supposed to go. That's why I need cheese like Cliff Huxtable.
Make it fold.
Broke all the hugs ago. And if they never love
Boom.
a nigga, then it all to show. That's why I cop the bag and I make it go first. Cause if a nigga never had it, then it all be worse. Been down before, it ain't a game, no toy. That's why I keep
Lick.
sifting some pictures of the boy for your boy.
Boom.
And plus a little girl for your girl. It's like I just wanna fuck with every
Fold.
girl in the world. I know I'm never around, I'm always on the move. Baby, I'm sorry for lost time, but cash rules. Everything around me, Wu-Tang. I'm trying to tie the game up, shoestrings, and now it all
That's how I
makes
roll
sense like
my
loose
blunt.
chains. I let them make these haters mad, mood swings.
Make sure you like, subscribe, download, comment, share, do all that good shit, man. It's your boy RizzoLuciano's bitch. I'm out.
Rizzo, this bitch fire.